Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can scale groups of elements, objects and components in your Figma design. So let us get started right away with this. Head over to design on Figma and let me select, for the sake of this tutorial, this text box here and also this image here to the right and add both of them to a group. To do that, simply left click on one of these elements, press and hold left control on your keyboard and select the second one here in your list of layers to the left. As you can see now, both are selected. After that, right click into one of these and choose group selection here, or use the shortcut Ctrl G. That is going to create a group consisting out of both elements. So if I left click into one of them, they will be treated as a group. So you can move them, for example. But guys, if you'd like to scale or resize the given group by, for example, left clicking into one of them and by clicking and dragging on one of these corners, you will see that only the image or photo is being resized. Even if I press and hold left shift on my keyboard, it may be stabilized, as you can see, and keep the aspect ratio, but the text won't be scaled, unfortunately. So to change that, guys, what you want to do is select your group with your left mouse and switch from the hand or selection tool at the bottom to the scale tool by clicking on that arrow down icon and by selecting scale here. You may use the shortcut K for that as well. And after that, you'll be able to resize and to scale your group just like that. Again, simply left click into one of these edges of the group and resize it by dragging your mouse. As you can see now, the text is being resized or scaled as well as the image here to the right, or basically all parts of your group. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you scale groups on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.